We've all been there. You tap on Instagram, and instead of scrolling through your feed, the app freezes, crashes, or refuses to open. The good news is that most Instagram problems are easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple methods that can help get the app working again. Method 1. Force close and reopen Instagram. First, try closing Instagram completely. Open your phone's recent apps screen, then swipe Instagram away so it's no longer running in the background. Wait a few seconds before opening the app again. Sometimes the app just needs a fresh start. And this quick step is often enough to fix small glitches or loading issues. Method 2. Clear Instagram cache, Android only. If you're using an Android phone, clearing the Instagram cache can help solve problems caused by temporary files. Go to Settings, tap Apps, choose Instagram, then open Storage and tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, messages, or account. It simply removes temporary data that may be causing the app to slow down or crash. Once you're done, reopen Instagram and see if it's working better. Method 3. Restart your phone. It might sound simple, but restarting your phone can fix a surprising number of issues. Press and hold the power button, then choose Restart or Reboot. Give your phone a minute to turn back on, then launch Instagram again. A restart refreshes your device and clears temporary software bugs that could be affecting the app. Method 4. Update Instagram. Using an old version of Instagram can lead to crashes, login issues, or missing features. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and check if there's an update button. If there is, install the latest version. Updates usually include important bug fixes and performance improvements, so it's always a good idea to keep the app up to date. Method 5. Check if Instagram is down. If you've tried everything and Instagram still isn't working, the problem might not be on your phone at all. Occasionally, Instagram servers go down, affecting users around the world. If that's the case, the only thing you can do is wait a little while and try again later. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods got Instagram working again. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, and thanks for watching.